Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to set due dates and times in Todoist. This will help you keep your tasks organized and stay on top of your schedule. First off, open your Todoist app. This is your starting point for organizing your tasks. Now, once you're in, select the task you would like to set a due date for. This helps us because it allows us to begin customizing our tasks according to our schedules. The next step involves clicking on the Schedule button. You'll find this on the right-hand side of the task. The reason we do this is to open up the calendar where you can set your due date. Once the calendar is open, select your desired due date. This could be today, tomorrow, or any date in the future. Let me explain why this matters. Setting a due date helps you know exactly when a task needs to be completed, which assists in planning and prioritizing your tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to set the time. Underneath the date, you'll see a time option. Click on it and choose the time you'd like the task to be due. This is important because it gives you a specific deadline within the day, ensuring you're not only meeting your due dates, but also managing your time effectively. Next up, click Save. This stores the due date and time in the system, allowing Todoist to remind you when the task is due. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is now setting up reminders and notifications based on the due date and time you've set. And just like that, you've set your due dates and times in Todoist. You're now one step closer to being a productivity powerhouse. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the key to productivity is not just doing more, but doing more of what matters. Until next time, keep ticking off those tasks.